With this website, you can hire freelancers and micro workers to help you with small gigs for your business, as you can see on the screen right now. So with this website, you work, you hire, and you can basically earn for yourself. So this is the employer or business profile. You can post job, you can hire worker, pay only when you are satisfied, get amazing results, and boost your business. So this is for worker or influencer. You find and do jobs, you complete simple tasks, you earn money, you get sign up bonus, invite your friends and earn more. So to get started with this website, all you need to do is to click on the green get started button, as you can see on the screen right now. But before that, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I make videos about making money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. And also do well to like this video as you are watching, so that more people are going to benefit from it. So the link to get started is going to be in the description section of this video. So once you click on that link and you click on get started, you are going to be taken to this interface. And as you can see on the screen right now, creating an account, you are going to earn 100 naira sign up bonus for yourself. So you can basically choose a worker or influencer account. That's mainly for the workers. And you can also choose employer or business account, which is mainly for those who want to promote their business here. You can also choose both, which means that you can basically earn and promote your business on this website. Okay, so once you choose both, all you need to do is to input your details. You're going to input your first name, you're going to input your last name, you're going to input your valid email address, you're going to input your username, your password, you're going to confirm your password, input your phone number, then you are going to select your country, then you're going to click on the green sign up button, as you can see on the screen right now. So once you click on that, your account is going to be created on this website. So once you've created an account for yourself, this is how your interface is going to look like. And as you can see at the top of the screen right now, I'm having my 100 naira sign up bonus, as you can see on the screen right now. So to start performing tasks to earn for yourself with this website, all you need to do is to come over to this hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen right now. And once you tap on that, you're going to see available jobs. All you need to do is to tap on that. So once you tap on that, you're going to be taken to another interface where you're going to be seeing jobs that are available for you to perform right now. So this is the interface right now, as you can see on the screen. So once you scroll downward, you are going to see the jobs that are available for you to perform. As you can see, this is a particular job and it's paying you 55 naira. Write a review on Trustpilot. This particular task is going to pay you 55 naira for performing it. This is another task, which is TikTok task. It's going to pay you 100 naira for performing this task. Just follow, like, share and comment on a TikTok post. You're going to be getting 100 naira for yourself. So once you scroll up, you are going to be seeing different tasks you can basically perform. And these are tasks you are basically doing daily and you are not earning from it. So let's say you want to perform this particular task right now, this TikTok task. All you need to do is to tap on it right now. And it's going to take you to another interface where you're going to be seeing the detail of the task. Once you click on view detail, as you can see on the screen right now, you're going to be taken to the interface where you're going to be seeing the detail of the task. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is the detail of the task. It says what workers need to do. So this job is a simple task, blah 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 and blah. All you need to do is to read the detail of the task, the instruction given to you very well. So once you understand the instruction, the first step is to go to the link given to you. So once you click on the link, you'll be taken to TikTok straight away. So the second step is to follow, like, share and comment on the post. The third step is that your account must be public and post must be visible to public. While the fourth step is that you take screenshots of your comment. So these are the 4 simple steps you need to follow to perform this simple task for yourself and earn 100 naira for yourself. So once you you've done the task and you want to submit the proof, all you need to do is to click on accept and start job. So once you click on that, you are going to submit the task to the task owner, and once the task is approved, it's going to release your money into your wallet. So that's how you can basically perform task on this website. And if you are not interested, you can basically click on not interested and it's going to cancel the task for you. So another best way to earn with this website is through referral. So once you click on the hamburger icon, once again you are going to click on my account. So once you click on my account, you are going to click on refer a friend. Now once you click on that, it's going to take you to another interface where you are going to be seeing your referral statistics. So as you can see on the screen right now, these are your referral statistics. This is referral link click, referral pending earning, referral paid earning. So once you refer a friend, you are going to earn 50 naira per person you refer on this website. You're going to earn 50 naira for yourself per person referred on this website. So this is your referral link, as you can see on the screen right now. All you need to do is to copy that referral link and start sharing it to your friends that are coming on board on this website. You can share it using your Facebook account, your WhatsApp, your Telegram, any of the social media you are using to actually boost your earning with this website. So that's another way to earn on this website. So if you are having any issue with this website, all you need to do right now is to come over to my account, and once you click on that, you are going to click on support, and once you click on support, you're going to be taken to another interface where you're going to be opportune to chat or lodge your complaint. So to do that, all you need to do is to click on this blue create support ticket right now. So once you click on that, you're going to be opportune to message and lodge your complaint about this website. Now to withdraw from this website, what you need to do is to click on my account, and you are going to come over to my payments. So once you click on my payments, you are going to be taken to another interface, and as you can see on the screen right now, we have deposit fund. We are less concerned of this. So all you need to do is to click on that withdraw fund, as you can see on the screen right now. So on this website, the minimum withdrawal here is just 500 naira. So once you've reached 500 naira, you can basically place withdrawal on this website. So you are going to be opportune to add your withdrawal account and every necessary details to withdraw from this website once you've reached the minimum withdrawal. So thank you for watching this video right from the beginning to the very end, and if you have not done that already, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. See you in my next video. Bye from me, guys. Peace.